Hi everyone, it's Jerri-ellen here with Cooking with Neighbours. Welcome back. Today we are making a crock pot recipe, Creamy Tuscan Chicken. So I took the liberty of getting started before you all arrived. Here I am browning up some chicken breasts in a bit of butter and oil. And I'm going to put on a plate. But these are not even nearly cooked. Anyway, they're just, I like browning the meat a bit before it goes in the slow cooker. So, in a bowl here I have a jar of sun-dried tomatoes. They're sliced sun-dried tomatoes. And to that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a jar of garlic roasted alfredo sauce. So that's there. I'm going to add my chicken to my crock pot. I have it turned on high for 4 hours. I'll check it in 3. And if the internal temperature of your chicken is 165, it is done. So I'm just going to mix what I have in the bowl, pour it over my chicken. This is great over, you can put it over rice, you can put it over any kind of pasta noodles like alfredo or bow tie, whatever you like, or you can put it over sauteed vegetables. The chicken, when I was browning it on each side, I browned it in some butter and olive oil just for a little bit of flavor. And I'm going to put some pepper, cover it, and I'll come back. And I am wearing a different shirt. And it's not good continuity, but I'm back. I started to take this out, but realized there's one more ingredient, some baby spinach that has been washed and drained. And we're going to put that in, and we're going to give this 10-15 minutes, everything in a few minutes. So one more handful there. And then I'll take you back again and show you the end of what it all looks like. Okay, we're back again. And we are done. Hopefully, I am right. Oh goodness, I almost forgot to put spinach in. So here we are. Let's get this plated. Oh man, this is so tasty. You're gonna love it. You try it, or if you have another version and you do it a different way, let me know. I can give that a try. You have a recipe request, I can do that. Whatever you like. Oopsie daisy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that goodness. I'm going to grab a fork. And I'm going to have a taste. We're watching football in there, so if I seem like I'm a bit rushed or whatever, that is why. Amazing to see him playing. Get some spinach and some chicken.
What's his name? Alec. I don't know if it's A-L-E-X or A-L-E-C.
This would be my corner.
Yeah, and then Smith.
Oh man, I can't wait to give this to these guys. Very tasty, very creamy, very. The chicken is cooked perfectly. It cooked for 2.5 hours. Remember, I fried it a little bit in a pan to brown it up. But it's it's thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, man, I'm telling you. Give it a try. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Subscribe button is down below. Bell is down below. Click them both. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And take care. Keep a good heart and peace.